Okay, so I wanted to show you this, and I am going to be working in parts. So I'm going to put it together and you're going to be able to see it in this video. So I got this serving tray. Look how gorgeous it is. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to paint the bottom in titanium white right outside of the jar here, or the container. And this is titanium white by Amsterdam. So I'm just going to paint the surface. I'm going to fast forward it for you guys. And we are going to then go to step number 2. So as you can see, all I'm doing is I am painting the bottom. Okay, so let me continue here. So now for part 2, what I'm doing is I am going to top coat this with resin. So first I am going to go ahead and put some white resin down on the bottom of this tray. And I didn't mix a lot of resin because I'm going to be top coating it with different colors or different layers, I must say. So just slightly coating this top with kind of like a white metallic resin tinted with TLP pigment. And once I'm done with this part here, I'm gonna go ahead and add color to my cutout at the bottom of the serving tray. So let's watch and enjoy. I'm gonna turn some music on for you guys. Thank you for joining me at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you at the end.